Hey, so let's look at the eligibility criteria for SET and the selection process for the Symbiosis campus of BBA program. If you look at the eligibility criteria, should have passed 12th, that is 10 plus 2 or equivalent examination from any recognized board with a minimum 50% marks or equivalent grade, 45% marks or equivalent grade if you belong to scheduled caste or a scheduled tribe category. There is no other criteria, there is no age limit, nothing. The only minimum requirement is the marks that you scored in your 12th standard. No maths compulsory, nothing is required here. Moving on to the selection criteria for SCMS Pune BBA campus, and for most of the program for various campuses, the selection criteria remains the same. There are few minor changes in couple of programs, otherwise this remains the same. The candidate will be called for the next round if they clear the overall cutoff. There is no sectional cutoff. The final shortlisting happens on the basis of two parameters. One, your entrance test score, which will be scaled up to 70 marks, and your performance in personal interview round. So that has a weightage of 30%. So let's say if you have scored out of 60 marks, let's say you have scored 40 marks, okay, then that 40 will be scaled up as per the total marks 70. So you can apply maths and see, out of 40 if you scored 60, out of 60 you scored 40, that is 2/3. So out of 70 you would scored how much? So that would be your marks scaled up to 70, okay. And based on the performance in PI, the composite score out of 100, the final percentile will be given to you, the final shortlisting will be there, and this is how the final selection would happen in SCMS Pune campus. Thank you.